Jai Hind, Namaskar and welcome to the world of fortune. Myself Prabhat Majumdar, I would update about today's market moves and would share trading views for the coming week. Global cues being positive, yesterday we had digested 10 points in Dow Jones, whereas Dow Jones gained 332 points. As a result, Nifty opened at lifetime high 14,952 points and possessively crossed the sentimental benchmark of 15,000 pre-policy. Shaktikanta Das announcing policy gave strength because capital market understands no bad news as good news. Governor kept repo rate same with no change. Governor further introduced retail direct investment wherein investing in government securities is said to become easier for retailers, wherein retailers can directly open an account with RBI and invest in government securities facility declared as retail direct. There was no announcement regarding bad banks and nothing negative appeared which approached market as good news. Post policy, Nifty gained and made a new high of 15,014. Bank Nifty has moved more than 4,000 points in last 5 days and had a hangover of credit policy which got absorbed today. Post policy profit booking was seen in Bank Nifty, whereas Nifty was gaining interest which has led to a diversion. Bank Nifty losing points created a pressure on Nifty which brought Nifty to 14,864 points. Buying is seen as lower levels which took Nifty to 14,924 points at the time of closing. Talking about the basic theory of Fibonacci, market saw reversal from 13,600 levels which has touched 15,000 levels. What next? Fibonacci appeals 15,475 which can be expected on screen in coming weeks. Sectors are rotating: infrastructure to auto, auto to pharma, pharma to IT, IT to FMCG, FMCG to bank, and now? Currently, at 15,000 levels, we would suggest to trade cautiously and make position on dips and exit at resistance. Trend is positive. Nifty is gaining and further legs in market, and currently at 15,000 levels, we would suggest to trade cautiously and make position on dips and exit at resistance. Trend is positive. Nifty is gaining further legs. Upper side is open. Derivatives data are screaming loud towards bullishness, but this is stock market wherein downside can never be ignored. So trade cautiously with strict support and resistance level next week. Market updates by Goldstone Finvest. Let's build fortune together.